Hello everyone, welcome to the Classy Power App. In this video, we will see the Omni-channel integration with our virtual agent or to our real agent. So before starting with to that, we first try to explain, understand why there is a reason of this integration, right? Okay. So let's say there is one portal, or you can say any custom website is running on the server, okay, and their user comes to that portal and want to interact. At a time, let's say 100 users are coming on the same day, so it would not be easy for the organization to handle all 100 users query. So what they do, they just create one virtual agent who will take care of the users query, right? But it is also be true that virtual agent is not always able to solve the user's queries. So at that time, real agent needs to be come in the front. Okay, so this omni-channel will give you that type of feasibility that if the user is interacting with the virtual agent and in the middle of the chat, if the user is unable, if a user is not happy with the virtual agent service, he can ask the virtual agent that I would like to contact the real agent. At the time, this omni-channel send the whole conversation to the real agent, and real agent can talk directly to the user on from that chat only. Okay, so let's start from the starting. What the basic license we require for the omni channel? Okay, so let me just take you to my that. Okay, so you can see on this screen we need I have added these five licenses: Dynamic 365 custom engagement, messaging add-ons, E3, Power BI Pro, and the Power Virtual Agent. Okay, we need these five licenses in order to communicate, in order to build that type of feature in our system. Okay, so let's start with that. We first take you to the Omni channel. Okay, so here is our tenant. Okay, so just go to the admins settings, admin center. Okay, and admin center, you should be very clear that the reason which where is your tenant should support the omni channel. Okay, because right now the US region supports the omni channel. So in the admin center there is a resource. If you click on this resource, you can see there is that 365 apps. Just click on this, and in there is a list of the apps that are available in this US region. Okay, so just go and search for the omni channel. So here you can see Omnichannel for the customer service. Okay, just click on these three dots and then manage. It will take you to different screen, and here you just need to add environment and just give a any environment that have the reason which support omnichannel, and then next. That type of setup would require, and yes, it might take some time, like either 2 hours or 3 hours. So I have already installed that and configured it, so I'm just uh, telling you how you can configure to your environment. Okay, so guys, please be very clear that for now omnichannel is only supported in the US region. Okay, so let's understand the prerequisites need for this. Okay, as I already shared you the all license that are required for that type of system to be made in your uh, environment or your tenant. You need one virtual agent. Okay, you need one virtual agent. You need one Azure active directory application. You need one custom website, or you can also use custom like Powerapps portal as well. Okay, so these three things are required in order to complete type of requirements. So like I just show you how you can configure, like how you can add that omni channel to your environment. Okay, so now we go with the how you can create the bot. So here is the I just changed my environment because I have added an omnichannel to my trial tree. So go inside it, and there is a chatbot. Just click and list. So I have already created one chatbot. So this is my chatbot. Like I have two chatbot. Let's say I open this one. Inside that, it is just taking little time. Hmm. Okay, I'll let it open. Okay, fine, it will open now. So this is the bot. Okay, if you want your bot to transfer the chat to the live agent, okay, so at that time you just need to configure your bot. So just go to the this gear icon and there is a transfer to agent. Okay, so this transfer to agent will happen whenever any type of escalate topic would run. Okay, so if I like to this to be sent to the omni channel, because this omni channel is the medium who is connecting virtual agent and the real agent with to the user. Okay, so we just use this omni channel for now. And next, and here you need the Azure Active Directory application. Okay, so we first I just show you how you can create any Azure Active Directory application. So just go to your Azure account, and on the Azure account, just go to the app applications. Okay, app registration. Sorry. So just go to the app registration, and here you can see there is a new registration. Right. Just click on this. Give it a good name. App your app a name. Any like what type of authentication you would like to use. Just try with the this account in an organization directory, and here you need the redirectory URL. So obviously if you are using this application for the authentication purpose, then at a time you need a valid URL, redirect URL. Okay, so that you redirect URL you can get from the virtual agent. Just go to virtual agent, and here there is a channel. Okay, not the security. Just go to the security. Okay, because we are using this application as a active directory application just to authenticate our user or our agent. Okay, so there is an authentication. Once you click on this, it will navigate you. It will open one tab for you. If you click on this learn more, I have already opened that, and it take you to this page. So on this page you can see, like, this is an official document from the Microsoft. You can see there is a link. You can use this link as a redirect URL in your of your Azure application. Okay, once you're done with that, I'm not creating it because I have already created that one application. Okay, so application. So here is my application that I have already registered, and once you create any application, it will create one application ID. Okay, you need this ID. Just copy this ID from here. Okay, now you need only this ID. We'll see, and go to your virtual agent where we were configuring it to our port. Yes, and just go to your settings, transfer to agent and omnichannel, and next, and here you need to write that ID. Once you write that, click on the next. It will enable your Microsoft team, and you just need to select the URL where your omnichannel is there. So I'm like we have added up omnichannel in the trial environment, so I'll just add that, and simple. Now my bot has been connected to the omnichannel. Okay, so this is all in this video. In the next video I'll tell you how we can do our rest work. Okay, so stay tuned, and let's connect in the next video.